Hello everybody, I'm Joe Hart. From 1982 to 1999, I was judge of the 126th District Court. I am pleased to introduce the Joseph H. Hart Award. It honors firms that demonstrate integrity and commitment to providing legal assistance for the less fortunate. I'm a 1966 graduate of the University of Texas Law School. I started practice with my grandfather and my father. In the early 1970s, I spent 2 years as a prosecutor with the Organized Crime Section of the U.S. Justice Department in the Cleveland, Ohio Strike Force. I returned to Austin to resume my civil practice until I got a call from Judge Herman Jones, who asked me if I would be interested in taking an appointment to fill the vacancy on the 126th District Court. I said, of course I'm interested in that. I won a special election, a hotly contested special election shortly thereafter, and I was unopposed for the rest of my tenure on the bench. While I was on the bench, it was obvious that indigent parties frequently had poor or no legal representation at all. VLS, then Austin Lawyers Care, was founded a year before I went on the bench. I saw it as a way to provide these parties with quality representation. I served on the board of directors for several years, and I pitched to the lawyers the importance of providing pro bono quality legal services for the less fortunate. These firms had top, young, and older lawyers who could provide these services. It was a win-win situation for everybody. The clients got top quality representation. The firms provided a public service, which is good PR, and got valuable courtroom experience for their younger lawyers. The judges benefited by having cases well presented. I am proud of ELS and especially proud of the firms and lawyers that have volunteered. And I am pleased that I was able to help out. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Katie Valle. I'm the Director of Family Legal Services at Volunteer Legal Services of Central Texas. Judge Hart, thank you for all that you've done to further access to legal resources to indigent litigants across Texas. It is my honor and my privilege to award the 2019 Joseph H. Hart Award to the law firm of Thompson Salinas Londergan. Thank you to every attorney at Thompson Salinas Londergan. Thank you to your legal staff for tireless efforts on behalf of indigent litigants. You've mediated several VLS cases. You've represented multiple victims of violence and abuse, seeking safety, seeking to leave violent relationships and protect their children. You've mentored countless volunteers that we've sent your way that are new to family law or new attorneys, including every attorney that takes a VLS family law case at the law firm of Baker Botts. And everybody comes back happy, so I know that it's going well. We so appreciate your support of the free advice clinic, both when it was in person in 2019 and your continued support of the VLS phone clinic since the pandemic hit. Thank you also for your fundraising efforts for VLS. And Carlos, we appreciate the years you've spent as a board member for the VLS Board of Directors. Congratulations on winning the Joseph H. Hart Award. You deserve it.
On behalf of Thompson Salinas Londergan, I would like to gratefully accept the VLS award that we're being presented with today. Here together with me are my partners, Carlos and Lisa. My name's Marshall. Just to give you a little background on our firm, we are all coming from pro bono backgrounds, and everyone at the firm carries as sort of a core value this idea of giving back and helping those that can't necessarily afford private lawyers. And
we're honored to accept this Joseph Hart Award. We believe strongly that our calling as lawyers is to provide equal justice to all, not just the people that can afford it, but for our justice system to be functioning properly. Everybody needs to be able to have representation in that regard.
Our connection with the nonprofit community that predates our time in the private practice of law, I think instilled in all of us the value of giving back to the community, We've all seen what it looks like for our clients who are turned away, who don't have legal representation, and what those outcomes look like. Now, VLS makes it so easy for you to participate in a variety of ways. There's clinics, there's direct representation, there's mediations you can do for folks. You can just make financial contributions or mentorships or participate in CLE programs. So thank you very much. We will treasure this award as much as we treasure the award from the chili cook-off, which we've won 2 out of the last 3 years.